In today's Real Estate Questions Answered, we will answer the question, what is the difference between a home inspection and a home appraisal? A home inspection and a home appraisal are two very different processes within a real estate transaction, but you should definitely know what both of them mean. So a home inspection is a thorough examination of that property. So let's say you are a buyer and you have just gone under contract on a home. The first thing that you will do, or your realtor would advise you to do, is to get a third-party home inspection. And that is basically a top to bottom view of that property. And it will find any areas of concern, any repairs that might need doing, any deficiencies within that property, so that you really know what you're getting into. And it also gives you the opportunity to have the seller rectify those issues prior to you actually moving into the home. An appraisal is ordered by a lender. So when you are getting a mortgage on a property, then the lender will ask for an appraisal. This is also done by a third-party company, and basically an appraisal is to get a property's value. That is to make sure that a bank is not over-lending you money and that the property is worth what the sellers are asking for. So in summary, an inspection will focus on a property's condition, and an appraisal will focus on a property's value. I hope that answered your question. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.